Hello, everyone! You can capture many incredible moments with a regular camera, but there are some shots that are impossible to get without a drone.
This isn't your average shipment of a standard part. The Arctic Ocean stands as a powerful testament to human perseverance. After all, a special ship had to be invented to literally carve its way through.
Australian kelpies skillfully manage such a large flock of sheep.
The guys created the best commercial for this water.
With that kind of pressure,
Managed to take fishing to a whole new level, all thanks to his powerful high-tech drone. Now he can fish while this is the kind of thing you read. How can you trust the sand beneath your feet after that?
That day, the people of this coastal town could only watch helplessly at this terrifying sight, but thankfully, no one was injured.
If you imagined a fishing net as a small sack, you couldn't be more wrong. Just look at this giant. Is that some kind of custom timing belt? Launch of a ship is a celebratory event that signifies the end of all construction on the vessel.
Two-lane main road and the car lights unintentionally created a breathtaking view of modern urban life.
All sharpened and secured to a concrete base. They were created to fend off the enemy that would land from the ships.
This guy inspires all extreme sports enthusiasts to keep going no matter what.
Who says fireworks are only meant for nighttime? Themselves at least once in their life.
Out horses have a kind of brake pedal somewhere.
They must have achieved superior zen through yoga.
Check out how they clear snow on the railways.
Most of the food we eat every day depends on the work of farmers. Who would have thought that their work could be so captivating? This is how demining usually works. Curious about what it's like at the peak of Everest? No need to climb it yourself. The guy who filmed this video has already reached the summit. This lake in China is called the Devil's Eye. Could you think of a more fitting name for it?
Refueling a supersonic airplane mid-flight isn't a scene from a sci-fi flick. It's real life.
In the most unexpected ways. For instance, the guy who filmed this video decided to scare a bear away from his house by using one.
In Dubai, technology has advanced to the point where anyone can fly with a jetpack.
A baby humpback whale was stranded on the shore, and people had to use an excavator, a boat, and a strong rope to help it. Don't manage to stop in time. That's why companies conduct numerous tests and continuously work on improving emergency braking systems.
I think he's been dreaming of doing that for a long time.
It looks creepy when you think a person is in. You can spot a master at work right away.
From this far away, sheep look like scattered rice grains.
A 3-kilometer-long crack formed in Mexico in just a few days due to continuous heavy rains.
In China, with the soaring demand for electric transport, you can find entire graveyards of almost new traditional. Creepy-looking sculptures are located in Serbia. This is a 30-foot tall memorial, erected to commemorate the victims of the war.
A 25-meter wide sinkhole formed by collapsing rock. Looks like it was made by sand. This team is fighting the python problem by using drones equipped with thermal sensors to find and deal with the snakes.
Contraband, it was confiscated. 2 years later, US authorities repurposed it in a rather unexpected way.
A ride like this probably happens once in a lifetime.
Watching molten metal flow through the two large sinkholes appeared right in the middle of the road. One of them was so big that even a truck fell into it.
The massive scale of this solar panel farm.
They come from nowhere, wow.
It's hard to believe that this is footage recorded on our planet.
To attach a tracker.
sharks isn't much different from feeding aquarium fish, except for the size of the food and the desire to keep your distance from them.
Realize this, but there's an alternative to tree cutting. The wood is pulled out with a strong scrub chain. It's amazing how... Every person should see the carving of glaciers at least once in their life.
It seems like even the firefighters couldn't do anything in this situation. There must be hundreds or even thousands of seagulls here. The world. Measures and shoot it down. Climbing up looks easy, but how will she get down?
Make excellent assistants for humans. They help deliver goods to remote areas much faster.
Voron stands a 190-meter-high spiral-shaped building, considered the tallest in Sweden.
Full intensity. Videos, you'd want to give a drone to everyone so that no one ever has to tackle huge insect nests with their bare hands.
You don't need to fly to Mars to see such extraordinary landscapes, just visit the state of Utah in the USA.